Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Oma. Oma and I wanted to come on because many of you have been asking about her and wondering how she's doing, and we just celebrated a very special occasion, which was
my 95th birthday, which was October the 19th, and I'm thinking about you, and I'm so happy to be able to say hello to you and thank you over and over again for your concern and for wanting to know how I am. Well, God's will, I'm still here and happy to be with my son here and be able to talk to you. And again, thank you with all my heart.
You know, it's a tribute to you, Mom, how much people love you and just it comes across on the screen and in the videos, and you are just very special to us and
Thank you, son.
to
Thank you.
to all your fans. So, Mom, what did we do for your birthday?
It was very, very special because I had my 3 children, which I was wishing for. When my daughter from Halifax came, surprised me. We went out for a beautiful dinner. I had a big, big surprise. This cake is my cake, it's our birthday cake, and my daughter Isabel, who didn't think would be made doing this, I didn't even know she ever tried, but they came out with the candles and this cake, and I was very, very happily surprised and emotional, and they sang happy birthday and I made my wishes.
Happy birthday, dear Happy birthday.
And I was just flabbergasted. I even had a glass of champagne.
As you can see, this is very different surroundings that we have filmed the show in over the 5 years that we did it, and the 35 episodes. This is actually Oma's kitchen. And how long have you lived in this house, Mom?
Since 1955. So that would be
67 years.
Yeah.
67 years.
Yeah.
And Oma still lives in this house by herself, still looks after herself, makes her own meals. We're very happy that you can stay in your house.
This is where I want to stay till my last day.
And we wanted to, thank you again for continuing to watch the shows and for buying the cookbook. If you I'm sure you all know about the cookbook, but if you don't, I'll put the link below. So it's a great addition to all of our episodes that we did.
Thank you for the ones that I tried my recipes.
It's just amazing that still, we get comments. Oma gets comments every single day, and how much you all love the show and how much you love Oma, and it's pretty special. And the fact that you are still going strong at 95 years old, you're really doing amazingly well. And look how fabulous she looks. I mean, who looks like this at 95? So we're hoping, our our wish is that we'll be back on here when Oma's 100.
I know,
But
that's what you wish.
we'll take 1 year at a time, and hopefully we will see you again next year. And keep the comments coming. Thank you again for loving the show. And what would you like to end with, Mom?
I just have one little thing I want to say. My son used to say, Mom, you have to live till we are all over 65 so that you can say you have 3 senior children. So here I am, I have 3 senior children. Now they want me to live to 100. Well, if I'm still around in 4 years, my dearest friends, you'll hear from me.
I guess that's it.
I think that's it. We don't want to bore you.
I don't think you can bore them, Mom. So,
Yeah.
but again, thank you. And what do you want to end with?
I didn't cook today, so I can't say yummy, but I can tell you thank you from the bottom of my heart. Bye for now, and God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.